Good morning, children. As you all know that in the last class we did the poem recitation of Sea Song and I told you to write new words in your notebook. And today we are going to discuss the question answers and exercise part of the poem. So let's begin. Question number 1 is, where did the child find the seashell? Child को seashell कहाँ मिला था? See here, I found a shell, a curly one lying on the sand. So answer of this question is, the child found the seashell lying on the sand. Next question, what did the child do with the shell? बच्चे ने shell के साथ क्या किया? Again, look at the poem. The child picked it up. उसने उसको उठाया and took it home. उसको वो घर लेकर गया. Next is, what did the child hear? उसने child ने क्या सुना उसमें से? Again, look at the poem. The child heard soft, sweet and clear song from the shell. Yes, उसने उसमें से soft, sweet and clear song को सुना. Children, I'll give you answers of these questions. You can copy it from there and write them in your notebook. Next exercise, word building. Question number 1. Pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. Yes, children, many words are given in this blue box. We have to pick up the rhyming words from this and write here in the space provided. Now, what are rhyming words? Rhyming words क्या होते हैं? Rhyming words are those words with sounds same, जिनकी sound हमेशा same आती है. Like hat, bat, boy, toy, hub, rub. देखो इनकी sound same आ रही है. Last में ऐसे ही these words are called rhyming words. Like for example, found, sound. Isn't it easy? Let's start. Found, तो it is done and it is also done. Next is cold. Cold, took, sand, mummy, look, hand, bold. Cold, bold. See here. Cold, bold. ये rhyming words हैं. Same sound आ रही है. So we will write them here. Cold, bold. Cold is done. Bold is done. Next is took. Took के साथ क्या होगा? Yes, look. Write it here. Took, look. Fourth one is sand. Sand, hand. Very nice. Very easy. These questions are very easy. Next is sand and hand is done. Mummy, tummy. Yes. Mummy, tummy. Next question. Now see the next question. Fill in the blanks with the opposite words, choosing from the box below. The first one is done for you. Yes. Now here we have to write the opposite words from the words given in the blue box. We have to pick up words from here. First one is again done for us. Found. Found means किसी चीज़ को हम ढूंढ लेते हैं, मिल जाना, and the opposite is lost, खो जाना. नेक्स्ट इज हार्ड. वेरी टफ, बहुत हार्ड है. तो हार्ड का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? सॉफ्ट. यस, सॉफ्ट. नेक्स्ट इज इनसाइड. इनसाइड का तो आप सबको पता होगा, क्या होगा? आउटसाइड. नेक्स्ट इज टुक. टुक होता है जो ले लिया. इट इज़ द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ टेक. टेक, टुक, टेकन. टुक मीन्स ले लिया, इसीलिए यहाँ पर सेकेंड फॉर्म गिव की भी आएगी. गिव, गेव, गिवन. टुक का ऑपोजिट होगा गेव. नेक्स्ट इज बिग. बिग का एवरीवन नोज दिस. बिग, स्मॉल. yes, it's done. Came, come, came, come. Again this is the second form of come. Came, come. तो go, went, gone. यहाँ पे भी हमें सेकेंड फॉर्म ढूंढनी है. go, went, gone. went, ये लिखा went. went, went. नेक्स्ट टर्न द पेज. पिक. पिक करना, किसी चीज़ को उठाना, और छोड़ने का क्या होगा? ड्रॉप करना. देखते हैं ड्रॉप यहाँ लिखा है. यस, ये देखिए ड्रॉप करना. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रू का आपको पता है, ट्रू फॉल्स तो आप करते हैं नोटबुक में. करली मैंने आपको बताया था जो स्ट्रेट नहीं है, घुंघराला है. जैसे छोटे बच्चों के कुछ कर्ली हेयर्स होते हैं तो वो करली है. तो करली का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? स्ट्रेट, एकदम सीधा. कोल्ड क्या होगा? हॉट. स्वीट मीन्स मीठा. मीठे का ऑपोजिट कड़वा का क्या होगा? बिटर. टॉल मीन्स लंबा. इसका क्या होगा? शॉर्ट. यस चिल्ड्रन, नाउ read these lines. The sea is big. The sea is big. It's very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. We have to choose the right words here. We have given two choices. We have to choose the appropriate word here and write in the given space. So let's start. The sea is very, very what? It is mentioned there, big. We'll write big here. You cannot here see the other side. सुन सकते हैं या देख सकते हैं? कौन सी साइड आएगा? You cannot see the other side. हम दूसरी साइड सी की नहीं देख सकते. ये here it is written. You cannot see the other side. You dash cross the sea. You can cross the sea. हम sea को cross कर सकते हैं. You can cross it in a bus या फिर ship. Of course in a ship. Yes children. Say aloud. आप ये बोल के सीखें. She sells seashells. She sells seashells on the seashore. It is very interesting. I hope you all gonna try it. इसको बोल के आप try करेंगे. Read the following. Silence. Birds sing. Phones ring. People talk. Dogs bark. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Bees buzz. Children hush. Match the phrases with the picture. Now you can do it on your own. A bird singing, yes, you can see here. A cow mooing. Cow जो आवाज़ निकालती है, मूव कर रही है, वो कहाँ है? आपको पता है. Phone ringing, yes. Dog barking, cock crowing. You can do it on your own. That's it for today, children. Do the book exercise in the book and the question answers in your notebook. Thank you, children.